Hello everyone! Julia and little Cherry are here. Today you will learn how to draw Totoro. So, what you will need for drawing Totoro today, guys? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. I wish you a happy drawing, guys. So let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's start drawing our Totoro and his friends. So, I will draw our Totoro in the center and we'll start drawing from his eyes. So I'm drawing a circle like this and then a small circle inside with a spotlight inside. And then I will make a distance of 1, 2, 3 sizes and we'll draw on the same line another circle. So it's really far away, and if it's not perfect you can always correct it, and it's a good idea to start with a pencil, then it's easy to correct yourself. And then a small circle we draw inside. So here we go. And then I will be drawing his nose. So I will start drawing it in the center, just a curved line here, and then it goes to the center down like this, and a little wrinkle up, curved line, one more. So, and now I will draw his cute smile. So I will draw 2 lines like this, and then a curved line down and up. And now we'll divide on lines like this. And now I will be drawing his head, so I will draw curved line. And Totoro has ears and it will be like exact lines here, and then the ear will go like this, and I will put a dot just to make it easy, and then down, and again these zigzag lines. So, and the same I will do here. So it's almost like drawing. Try to keep the same distance, so you can always measure and do like this and put a dot and then go up and down, and try to keep it not too curved, pointy, just curve it, yeah, like this. And now I will be going like really wide and wide here, and we also will draw just 3 whiskers, 1, 2, 3, and the same here, 1, 2, 3. And it's already adorable. So it's really big and fluffy. So I will make a line here just to show where I will finish, and now we'll be drawing his furry hands like this, and then they go a little bit here, and then we curve down. I have to show his legs, and I can draw his claws, 1, 2. We try to keep them on one level, and the same, like you can always help with your pencil, and we will be drawing this fur and go here, and again 1 claw and another, and then going down Just try not to make it too narrow because it's pretty big. Yeah, like this. You can always correct. And now I will be drawing his legs, so it will go down and just 3 close small ones here. The same trying to repeat here as well. One, 2, 3, and now let's draw his tummy. It's really big tummy, and I will draw a curved line, and we will go all around. So we'll just show this lines, like to show that he's fluffy. And you can also just draw a straight line. It will be also like, looks like Totoro. And actually makes him to look even more realistic. And now we will draw these curved lines. He has like patterns here, so I will go up and down and then just connect them, and on both sides here. Keep it a little bit smaller just to keep this proportion. And now I will draw 4 smaller ones here, and here we go. One more, and the last one. So our Totoro is almost ready, and we only have to color it, but I will also draw his friends. He has a lot of friends, but I will draw some very easy and simple ones. So I will draw this cute small one. It's really small, so it's like drawing a little rabbit, but it's not a rabbit, it's actually some creature. And 2 circles here, and it's can be not ideal, but it still looks very adorable. And I will draw this green leaf here, and I will draw like a bow, and also I will draw another one, just a bigger one. So I will just keep it bigger from this side on one level, and I will draw 2 eyes on distance, keep it distance, and inside, and this cute nose, then a curved line here. And you already know what to do, just drawing his ears up and down, up and down. And now I will be going down and just curved it. It's like his arm, and the same here. And then drawing a circle here, semicircle like this. And then we will just draw his tummy. And the same like Totoro, but only 3 small curved lines here, like small patterns, the same repeating. And he also has a tail, so I will just draw his cute tail here, like this. And I will draw a leaf here, going this way, and then connecting these curved lines, it will be a leaf, and you can draw a central line here. And also I would love to draw a spider, small and cute, so I will just draw a circle and two eyes inside, 1 and 2, and you can make them look really cute. And then these lines going in different directions, like some are shorter and some are longer, and then we will color it and it will look pretty cool. And so all we have to do now is just to color our Totoro and his friends. Okay guys, let's start coloring our Totoro. I will use gray for his fur and claws, and I'm using markers, and you can color with pencils, with crayons, whatever you have. So try to follow the shape of your Totoro. Just shading all around. And if you go out the black line, so you can correct it with white pencil or pen. He's already adorable, so fluffy and cute. Sometimes I think he looks more like rabbit, but sometimes more like cat. And this is the secret of Totoro, that always we find something in him from different animals. So, and now I will color is yellow, and you can use light yellow and dark for his tummy, or maybe you will decide to use beige colors. It will also be looking great. And now I will add some shadows, like with darker gray, just to add this 3D so actually we are shading him. And you can also drop on one of his legs, and I would say here as well. And probably you can drop a little bit on his belly. Yeah, looks great. And we also will drop a shadow on this little guy. And we will color this one with marine blue. And he looks like almost Totoro, but the little one, and he's colored with blue, so it's really amazing color. Here we go, we are almost there, so we just color this curved lines and leaving this with white belly, this one, but we also will drop a shadow here. It's too light, so I will use dark gray, and also will go from his light side, left side, and dropping a shadow here. Yeah, so he looks pretty amazing now and very realistic. And now I will be coloring with green our leaves. So take your time, don't rush. If you need to rewatch the video, don't forget to stop and rewatch and enjoy drawing with me. And also don't forget to subscribe to see more videos and to support my channel. So press the button to subscribe. And I will drop a shadow here as well, just a bit under the spider. So we are just putting a little shadow here, just to this, to make it look amazingly good. And now coloring this leaf, and you can add, like, leave it with white, or I will add yellow just to make it colorful. And you also can drop a shadow to this guy if you wish. Yeah, and I'm pretty happy with our drawing, guys. Our Totoro is so cute. And look, guys, how cool is our Totoro and his friends. He's really adorable. Well done, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me and Cherry. And if you like our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see our next video about drawing Halloween pumpkin. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. We love you guys. Bye bye.